Welcome to Maker's Digest. This is a little behind the scenes footage here on improving my audio quality on videos. I've done, like 8 videos so far, and I was so excited to get them done. I just focused on the video and didn't get the audio to a quality level that I wanted it. I have a background in audio engineering. I've been doing it since I was a teenager as my side hustle. I've owned a recording studio and recorded a bunch of bands and did all that fun stuff. I have done lots, like hundreds and hundreds, thousands of hours of front of house mixing, monitors, all that kind of stuff. I toured with a band, did all of their lighting, audio engineering. I've done location sound, I've done radio, I've done podcasts, I've done all kinds of stuff. The most recent venture into audio was location for film. So I have some pretty decent gear to record on location, which I finally decided yesterday to drag out for Maker's Digest. So the way that I was recording on the previous videos was a nice lav mic, and that went directly into my Canon 70D camera, and I was just recording right onto that. Wasn't really happy with the audio quality, so I started mucking around with some of my other gear. I have a Focusrite ISA-1 sitting on my desk that I'm looking at, and I thought, well, I should probably just use that because that is a badass preamp. And it is. It worked. It sounded great. But the problem is I can't take it with me if I go to the shop, or we go to a makerspace, or go do a featured maker interview or something like that, which we're planning to do all of those things. So I went back to my portable digital recorder. It's a 8-channel portable digital recorder with a mixer, and I've got the bag and everything. It's all self-contained. And what I needed was a cable to run from the sub outs on that into the camera or my interface on my computer when I'm recording a dub like this. So that's what this video is. I'm making that cable, and I screwed up a couple of times. Even though I've done this stuff, I've made thousands of cables in my time. It's just every once in a while, like right here, you can see I put too much heat shrink on there. Wasn't a huge problem, but quick fix. So the way we're setting up audio now is I've got the lav mic, 2 lav mics actually. I'm just using one right now, clearly. That plugs into the digital recorder, both of them do. And the sub output of the digital recorder is running into my interface. And that's just recording in Premiere directly for sync. The audio that I'm going to use is being recorded to the digital recorder. When I'm recording with the camera, it's the same setup except for the sub output routing from the digital recorder goes into the camera. So whatever video file I have has that sync time. I wish we had time code, but this little camera doesn't do that. And then I'll use the audio off the SD card on the digital recorder and have to import that as well. So it adds a little more to the workflow, but it's going to be much higher quality audio. And then I'm going to export the session data out of Premiere, import it into Pro Tools so I can use all my nice Waves expensive plugins that I have for the other stuff that I do. Should sound pretty good, and in fact this video is a test for that. So let me know in the comments if you think this video sounds better than the other ones, or if you just think it sounds good. Well, clearly wrapping up on the video here, and one thing I'm trying to practice is cleaning up everything after every build, and I did it here and pretty proud of that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.